Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So my Samsung Galaxy S23 just arrived this morning and I can't wait to try it right now. So let's unbox it, and after that I'll show you a few settings you can set to your S23, S23 Plus or S23 Ultra to get the best experience when using this phone. So after you have turned it on, the first thing that you want to check is the battery. You need to make sure that you got a healthy battery. Okay, so you can go to settings and scroll down until you see the battery and device care. Go to battery and device care and then go to diagnostic. You can run all of these tests to make sure that your phone is okay. And for the battery health, scroll to the very bottom and click on battery status. Right here you want to make sure that your battery status is normal and life is good. If your battery status is other than this, then I suggest you to return the product and get a replacement because that's a defective product. After that, the next thing you want to check is you want to make sure that you get the best maximum quality when watching any videos and movies. Again, go to settings, advanced features, and go to video brightness. Inside you will see two options, normal and bright. You can set it to bright and it will increase the screen brightness and make the colors more vibrant so you can get a better quality when watching any videos. And you can also choose to enable or disable it for a particular applications here. Next, let's set the sound quality. So this phone has a fantastic stereo speaker. To get the best audio quality, go to settings, sounds and vibration, sounds quality and effects, and make sure you enable these two options, Dolby Atmos and Dolby Atmos for gaming, for a better sound quality. And if you click on Dolby Atmos, you can see four options inside: auto, movie, music, and voice. So you can apply this feature to only one of these three options, when you're watching movie only, listening to music, or when talking or recording. But if you want to apply this feature for all of these three options, you can set it to auto and it will automatically switch between these three options. And next, let's choose the navigation bar that suits you. So the one that I'm using right now is the buttons navigation bar. If you want to change it, you can go to settings, display, and navigation bar. This is the button one, and you can also change the button order. If you don't like the buttons navigation bar, you can change to the swipe gestures. So this is how the swipe gesture look like. And you can also enable or disable the gesture hint. If you enable it, you can see a line on the bottom right here. And if you disable it, the line will disappear, giving you a little bit larger screen. And lastly, if you spend most of your time or activity outdoor, you can enable this extra brightness option. And it will give you extra brightness that goes beyond the maximum brightness on your phone, so you can get a clear visual when you're under direct sunlight. Okay, so that was a few settings that you can apply to your brand new Samsung Galaxy S23 to get the best experience when using this phone. And okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and found this video useful. Hit the like button, like this video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.